Hi guys, Shaph Sassy here. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If it's your first time, hello. Welcome to the festive side of YouTube. I'm Shaph Sassy, and as you guys can see by the title, we're doing episode 5. We are finally catching up, guys. We're finally catching up. I know I've been behind, but we're finally catching up. Okay, finally. So if for your first time and you like the vibe so far, just go ahead and hit the subscribe button. You know, like the video, comment and say I'm new here. I'd love to, interact with you guys. If you're the loyal subscriber that you are, big up you, big up Unos. It's fabulous. It's just so lovely to see you guys over here once again in another video. Thank you guys always for supporting me. And I don't know my love already. Yeah, one of the new people need for coming and roping right through right there. So anyways, as you can see by the title, we are going in episode 5. We're finally making it, guys. We're catching up. We're scooping up our lives, and we are on episode 5 of the Social House. Now, I'm done explaining what the Social House is. If you don't know what the Social House is, somewhere up here so it's going to let you guys know. One of the video them when we do the review. So you can go and check it out, right? We are in episode 5. It's a Sagicor grab and go supermarket challenge, The sponsors, they have to come right out, and that is exactly what they are doing. Okay, so I love that for the sponsors, them getting exposures based on, the influencers that they have. So that's awesome. Please do not judge my face. I don't have I have like a concealer in my eye, but homegirl never decided to do no makeup today. Alright, and yeah, my face pretty much fresh. We just have like a concealer under my eye, and that's no powder, no nothing. So yeah, if you don't see me in trouble trying to care or somebody else put their makeup, stay out of it. Thanks. Alright, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe before we jump into this video. Please to tell a friend it's festive over here, and let's jump into this video. I'm gonna play football.
Yeah, man, you do this now. If you miss this, man. If you miss this,
she's the keeper, she's the.
tell with Skull, man.
Box me there, play with it.
Skull now no finish. Skull now no finish. You get me, I say? You have all of the tactics.
I like that they're bonding though.
Finishing.
That's pretty cool.
Nah, no finish. Watch out. Look at me Perry and go around him. Watch out. 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 Good evening.
Good morning.
Good morning.
It was a fun night out.
Oh, it was a fun night. Oh,
I'm sore. My body's sore. Yes, the heels. No more heels. What?
John K, look.
Here ya.
you said, hold on, get arguments
John K, look like that. Do the walk up.
You supposed to call him back, and you said him supposed to call you up.
If them eat, them can just say them eat way.
How we make plans and we include everybody.
I'm really interested in that type of car.
Shadi can't tell me something about Liz. That's all I know. I never thought about it. It's a sort out analyst. You just sort out and then forward.
It's because the night before you pillow it.
We never pillow.
You pillow.
And then move out and then
Yes, I true something. You say, you have to come wherever we live.
And to call me, FaceTime me, he said, Shani K, where you there? I said XYZ, and he said, alright, I'm gonna call you back.
It's just a show. It just call to make it look like
Say, it does an angle.
The boys don't want to hang. That's okay.
I told her straight, I am not going to tell. So I got taboo when I do. I honestly don't find it anyone go to me that you have got out. I said, yo, welcome today. I said, yo, one day I'm going to taboo. That's an
Alright, so
invitation.
I'm gonna make it tough now because every time the trail we apart, and Una just decide say Una go up on the own thing.
Them always have to go in.
Alright, if you come down, I will leave first.
Hey, I'm back
We're going
in.
to pick up some.
I will meet you there.
We'll soon reach.
Pick up
Right?
somebody.
Yeah. It's either we're gonna par or we're not gonna par. But we don't appreciate the separation. Our par, me, Perry, and Sue.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, we're nice. And
Lit.
we're party upping. We're taking full advantage of the outside with the one place, then we'll finish, and then we're the second place and the third place. And we're going strong now. Eels every night, foot swell up 2 nights in a row. When is the next night?
I'm not doing that.
I would not leave before we. Why we don't just leave together as a unit? That's what I said. Yeah, I was gonna pick up somebody else.
What time when I leave from the restaurant? From Chile?
Perry's what time we leave.
Taxi pine.
8-ish. Where I shoot all day, I will full of 8-ish. I know it's the conversation is succulent. I know it's nice. I had a great time. But you know what? I'm sleep and then go party.
Okay, that's so you Jamaica close 11 o'clock.
That's true.
Young and childish.
At least rest off.
Tell your mom to try to get on your book at the bar.
At least
I'm
rest
Mr.
off.
Alright.
See you about a bar.
You can enjoy yourself, car.
We say we're about a bar. You want to go a bar?
Man said boat no go buy you there.
Tonight we're outside again.
Yeah,
When dinner? We're not outside tonight? 6 o'clock curfew.
So, in the week, we can plan actually.
I feel like she's at default mode. Every day. Tonight we're outside.
Oh, Jesus.
Tonight we're outside.
Oh, that shit really need to do it. What you guys doing tonight? What you guys doing tonight?
She's like, where are we going? What are we doing?
So they got TikTok, the girl living on purse.
The girl you wanna know?
Pascal says something sometimes you don't really know what he must say. You just have to do it and look like. I don't know what Pascal did say about TikTok. I'm well, in a TikTok wally. I must say train and make fun of me walking with my things. And not all the time, girl, I have a bag. I never have a bag. I'm just take all the things I'm out of the closet because I'm already there on a hanger. Right, Perry? Agree, Perry, right? Perry, agree, no?
I'm not going with that one.
You're not going with
I'm not going with that one.
Perry, shut up! Listen.
Her love is gone.
My bag and pan is already here. Listen to my boom bag here.
Empty time.
It's not empty. You want to sweat in the bag? It's not empty. I wasn't sure if Brenda was there. Here. I was not sure. Yeah.
You say you prove my point. You prove my point.
Wait, Charlie. Because all of them components, things that were got in the bag.
It can't fit.
And you could have hold the bread in your hand. You could have hold the bread in your hand.
I just want you guys to know at the end of the day it's a bag. It might not be the ideal bag. And I wasn't planning on showing what was in the bag. But Fat Skull now did a jeer me. And you know I have to defend myself because them love gang up on me.
Right.
So I wanted to show you guys, say, we'll bring 2 slices of bread. It's a brand new boom bag the people them give away.
Oh, Chinese kid.
Okay.
That's a boom bag.
Okay, I make money, girl.
Me gonna go hang up my things and hang them up, okay? Excuse me.
Trying to kid that no look good, girl.
I don't know KFC the year.
No, I can't see. Give me two of the cheese sandwich.
Oh, you want chicken?
One of everything.
One of everything.
Small, because you know my maintain the figure, please.
Maintain the what?
The figure.
What kind of figure?
You know, seats.
I'm gonna eat this stuff. Me now downstairs right just a mind my one of business. Me I edit my video for YouTube, Carrie edit a mini vlog.
I mean, I
Fat
eat,
Skull
yeah.
in the kitchen, me I help Carrie get her little food. All of a sudden me hear clam.
I come down
Come down the stairs.
Paparazzi.
What? Excuse me?
How are you?
Are the girl at Fatco? No, I'm gonna get a new.
Yeah, get a new housemate.
I'm gonna get a new housemate.
Yeah.
I forgot to introduce herself.
Yeah.
But she told my head face not show up. Mr. Go through the door.
Oh, we're not seeing his hurry up and say brown in eye.
That's the eye, miss.
Good morning.
Good morning.
And, like no manners.
No manners, she don't have no
So
manners.
when he says something underneath
come
the
and
sheet so
people
can't
them
see
out.
say,
You understand?
girl have manners.
Finally, just have a little guess and thing. And we just make them go upstairs. Never they two watch them. And then we just go down my quarters.
Mind your business.
They say I could pray and just go on bed.
Right.
No, we know.
Mind your
why
business.
the brown
Pick up
foot girl.
the brown is all.
So any almost here out her room, we can recognize her by her foot. Come to see her face.
Hashtag brown foot. We want to know
Hashtag
who she
who is
is.
the brown foot girl?
Who is the brown foot girl?
Yeah, man. Hashtag who is the brown foot girl?
Eat this.
So this morning, they told us we have a challenge. I'm fixing my makeup, the boys are upstairs playing games and things like when I have someone for go. So we finally get ready, go into the car.
When we in the car, still we kind of like, we have an idea what would they go and like, what would they do, cause kind of sound like shopping. So.
It's outside, we're going. And I don't know if losers told you about how I do it outside, but when I go outside, it's really
Petite is like
my side.
miniature. I like rough
Hello
stuff.
influencers, this week's challenge is called the Sagicor Grab and Go Supermarket Challenge. It has two parts.
Okay.
The first part is a trivia. You will be asked 4 questions and the person who buzzes and answers correctly will get a point. You have the apps on your phone, you can buzz.
Jesus have his mercy, general knowledge. Why don't come do this to me? Man, that's me kids quiz on my YouTube channel, you know. And me dancing about. You don't even know where you're Jamaica get independence.
I think in 1962 and me know.
Because that will help you in the second part of the challenge. The second part of the challenge is individual. You'll be running through the aisles of the supermarket. You will have to gather 10 items with a budget of $5,000. If you exceed the $5,000, you will be disqualified. You can only pick up one of an item. You will have 2 minutes and 30 seconds to collect the 10 items, but you need to do it in a timely manner because the fastest person who is under the budget will be the winner. Any questions?
That's
So
it.
what if you lose the trivia thing?
If you lose the trivia thing, you will not be given the added incentive for part 2.
Got it.
So you need to get as many right as possible in the first part because you're gonna need it in the second part.
Got it.
Do the maths, Asian brain.
Okay.
We will lose this.
Welcome
general
to the buzzer
knowledge.
challenge of Sagicor's Grab and Go Supermarket Challenge. Guys, you'll be given a question and you must buzz if you think you know the answer. You must wait until you're identified.
I'm
and
nervous
when you've
today.
been identified by the producer, you answer. If you get it incorrectly, you do not lose a point and the person who is next can answer. Okay?
But it's ready. I have the buzzer. My hands were ready to click.
Honestly, I was just ready to go with the flow. I'm
Yeah.
already nervous already. I don't feel any more nervous or any less. You know,
Yeah.
I was just like, alright, we'll get to roll it.
Question number
Just get
1.
this thing up.
What is Capleton's real name?
Nobody knows that. Fireman.
Carl.
Capleton, rate you.
But
We're not gonna know your name.
you're a great performer, but me don't know your name, sir.
So why would I know, what's his Capleton name?
Keep it
Why
on.
would I know that?
Anybody else?
Andrew?
Fireman.
The correct answer is Clifton George Bailey III.
Nobody would have thought of that.
Who was / is the first Prime Minister of Jamaica? Prince Fine.
Sir Alexander Bustamante.
That is correct. 1 point for Pine,
Would I get
0
that
for
so
everybody
wrong?
else. What is the capital of Westmoreland?
Savannah Lamar.
Said Perry, what is the capital of Westmoreland?
If I say it right. You don't even know it
You
already.
see when we're not gonna look at general knowledge, something and buzz or something, sometimes in your head, your mind psych you out. Like you know the answer, but you feel like it's a trick. Savannah Lamar?
Correct.
I know I say a Savannah Lamar. I know this.
Savannah Lamar. Savannah
To
Lamar.
get this right. Even if you have a buff shuffle, does make sure you say it right. You don't want to burn it out.
Yeah.
I end up sitting in the grill. You understand?
No, I mean
In
understand.
what year did Bob Marley die?
Nobody knows.
Prince Fine. Correct. Wow. Call the ambulance.
So why am I know the year about Marley there?
That's what I'm
Why am I
saying.
from the record of my life? I don't understand.
Question. Which Jamaican sang the song
I don't know.
My Boy Lollipop? Fat Skull.
What a mess. What a mess.
Who made those questions?
For real.
It was like, let me see what I say.
Make we just make them
Find
lose.
some questions.
We make them
They
lose.
don't have to answer to.
Right.
That's the sit down and plan.
Pretty much.
Millie is incorrect.
Yes, ready. Who else next?
Do we have a third buzz? Prince Fine. Millie Smile. Millie Smile. You're on TV.
How much did I get, Millie?
Millie Small is correct.
Kind of really and truly surprised me.
Yes.
Honestly, I never did really. God know.
Who would have thought?
Give me no education. You never know say. You know, God know. But honestly, you let yourself fine. Know the whole of Jamaica know that you're more than the big shows and the big pants and the brief on the internet.
For
I'm giving you
real.
a bonus question.
Bonus?
Are you ready? What is Coffee's real name?
Jon Snow, why did I buzz? Oh, what's your real name? What's your name? Should I give you like a
Real
what's your
name. Prince Fine.
Cadian.
Not Cadian. Not Katie.
She's a kitty.
No, I don't know that one.
It's not Christina. Her real name is Michaela Simpson.
Michaela?
Michaela.
Don't give me a Michaela. She give me a manly name like
Robert.
Robert. I'm sorry, I didn't mean that in a bad way.
3 points and QP with 1 point. Nothing for Fat Skull, Shiny and Petit Sue.
That's what I'm saying. So who goes in there?
For this portion of the challenge, you will need your Sagicor bags and you will check out at the register with your Sagicor bank card. Remember your limit is $5,000.
We must be at school.
10 items in the bag. Prince Pine and QP, at the end of the challenge, you will know what your advantage is. Wow. Petit Sue have more instructions for you. You have 2 minutes 30 seconds. You can only go to aisles 3, 4, and 6.
What's selling a tree?
I don't know when you go over there, you check.
Figure that out.
Skull, you have on your track shoes, you ready? Alright. You have to get an item from each aisle.
An item.
At least one item from each aisle.
Are you going in
3, 4, and 6. And in aisle 6, you can only go to the frozen food section. You catch that?
Yeah.
10 items. Only 10 items. If you go over the 10, you're disqualified. The $5,000 is before GCT. So now when I go up there and ring up with the Sagicor card and you come up to 5, 6, and you say, but a GCT? No.
I'm tired already.
Cash out at register number 5, and that is when your time stops.
the delays, it made me get like my anxiety was kicking in. And then they say, go first. I'm like, worst position.
It's okay, girl. You got this. What I'm saying, no more than 10 items. Frozen. Something frozen, girl.
I went in there with an open mind and I did what I could
Sachets.
do. I ended up forgetting.
With so much rules, of course. One from the aisle, girl. Only one from the...
What is that? Jesus.
Why does it matter what you're looking for?
It
Doesn't matter what you're looking for. Just look at the cost.
So, Sue, make a count. 1,
1,
2.
2.
Remember, come put it in her bag. 1, 2,
Option to go for 10.
3, 4, 5, 6,
7.
7, 8.
Time don't come in.
$2,132. How you feel?
Budget not bad at all.
So
I
what
just
should I
needed
do
to
item
pick up
them
2
more?
more. The time don't come in.
The time don't
Oh, it
come.
has to be
So when I
10
got to the
items.
cashier and I checked my bag, once I started to put them out on the counter now, I like count them and I said, Jesus Christ, this look like it less than 10.
God.
Alright, make me see how you do.
She might not have a chance, but let's see. Come berry.
One something. Vinegar, let's go. One something. We want the cheapest rice. Marco Polo, 3. What else we can pick up? Pick up a flour. This rice in the side, I don't know. 4. It's a 14. 4 something. Everything is so dear.
Be a lot of time them look at something them. I have to pick up them look at something them rice. Me look for a canned meal. Hello? Them look at something if they find a bag of salt, but I grab it.
It's expensive. 7, 8, 8. I want one more something. 8.
One thing with Rohan, he
Open
knows
the
how to
fridge.
follow instructions.
Me like the two row pack of sausage. Me I said no, we can't work with this. I forget the one pack of sausage. Yeah, that. So I was working with just low end things.
Stay within the budget.
Small money fandangos.
One frozen item, anything? Chicken, anything?
He follows instructions. He tries. He really
What the
does.
cheapest one? What? Whoa.
Come on.
Right there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
There's no
6,
time on this, you know.
7,
You can,
8,
yeah,
9.
yeah,
Me I show Jamaica say 10 things, my guys.
yeah, alright.
Yeah,
So
show
guess
them.
what? If you needed an extra $500, you would have gotten it based
So what
on
you
your
tell me? What
point.
you tell me now, fam?
Because that is the rules.
What you tell me now,
That
fam?
is the rules.
What you
It's
telling me
valid.
now?
That is the rules. I could tell you would have go to 5-5. Congrats, good job.
Don't do too bad. Boy, go to supermarket regular. I walk with the list and everything. Talk to me. Hello?
Hello? Woo. Let's go. Nobody lose breath now. You know, people them aisle.
I know for estimate and them thing. You know what I mean?
Eh.
When me I pick up rare, I just ching ching aisle, ching ching. Little bit of money I get.
Okay. This is interesting.
But there I say, yo, I'm gonna mash it up. Mash it up. You know, I'm planning to mash it up. So, yeah.
One frozen.
Less than 2 minutes.
You never say one frozen. Five, nigga, 5.
How many items? Let's count. Very bad. Ready? Put in it. You know, go on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 with 4,840.
That's awesome. We don't pick up some fun so that you can get to go, man. Yeah. Pick up something where you can't eat, girl.
This cheese is extra cheese. He's a girl, you know, I love pick up my few little things and I go supermarket. But me go supermarket now, it's therapeutic for me, so I'm gonna take my time.
You know what trying to kill this no one?
We have 2 minutes and change to go. So I'm gonna know I'm gonna take me that move as fast as I
No.
can. Okay. 6. 6. Oh God, wait a minute now. Oh God, I don't know. I'm so
Friday.
busy doing 2 different things I know.
1 minute 30 left. 1 minute 30. Remember, it's a race trying to kill. Let's
I'm
go.
racing. I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a beer deer ice cream this. I'm gonna pick up the things there, I'm running out the aisle, I'm gonna get what I need to get, and I'm trying to get the deer things there. Oh, that fridge out open. 8, 9. Hey, how long, bro? 1, 2, 3, 4,
Go, girl.
7, 8. Hey, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Trying to get not go with you.
8, 9.
Trying to get not go with you.
Man, try to see how much it's
Time I
going
go
to
run
cost
over
me
here.
to make sure it's set. I'm going to have 10 in the bag and then run over to the register.
$2,976.40. Good job.
That's not bad, right?
Good job. Good
Here you go,
job.
Sassy
Good
card,
job.
miss.
Let's bag this stuff. We gotta
They
go
really
home.
out of breakfast
Hold
trying
on,
to
first
kill.
now.
2, 3, 4, 5. Trying to keep my look like everything. 6, 7.
8.
All right, now.
9.
What you know?
I'm proud of myself,
I'm
Rush.
proud of
Me
you.
too. I never did believe in her. Who else needs to go? Oh yeah. Pick up a cake, me. Like go man, make that.
I do like the running up and down and me I pace myself and me I get pressured and them thing. Me in the supermarket feel like peas. You know, like when you boil peas in the pressure cooker pot or someone feel. Cause me I said, no, I can't do this.
They look like him a move with a little urgency.
During the challenge, I never really give up, you know. But I try build a strategy, but it look like they are focused on the wrong thing. Because me they are focused on the 10 items. I never want to pick up too much items. But they try do the maths at the prices. You see me, I never pass maths.
Who passed math?
1 minute left. Remember, you have to be at the cash register, you know. And time is a race. Come on, man. You have a code. Catch it.
And where's the urgency? The urgency.
30 seconds left. You must be at the register.
When them say them finish in like 1 minute and then thing then the man that come supermarket every day.
So, with 10 items, $2,198.
Wow, I was fretting for him.
1, 2, 3, 4,
I was really fretting for him.
6,
I never have no fear.
7, 8, 9, 10. Influencers, are you ready for the scores from Sagicor's Grab and Go Supermarket Challenge?
No, sir.
On the nervous.
Or
Let's just
it was
get
a
into
time
it.
something.
Let's just get into it. In 5th place,
Fine.
we have Petite Sue. And Petite Sue, you were disqualified because you had 8 items and not 10.
I really genuinely feel like me did in the last place. Because me get it, and everybody was kind of talking after everyone completed their challenge or something. And after just listening, because I kept real quiet. I mean, I did express that I took up 8.
Jesus.
What the laugh, the big dirty stinking laugh for Perry usually
Yeah, let's
Lego.
look at.
In 4th place, we have Prince Pine. Pine, you completed the challenge in 2 minutes and 22 seconds.
I thought I did a fairly good job, but I guess fairly good is not good enough, so I'll try again. I'll try better next. What you call them thing, a challenge.
In 3rd place, we have China K. 2 minutes, 9 seconds.
Whenever really disappointed, but
How much minutes did we even
happy
get?
at the same time. You understand? I'm moving as fast as these legs could take me. And sometimes coming like them, I'm moving as slow more, but I'm not really sure why.
Sometimes you feel
understand?
like yeah,
But
dance like
whenever
Beyonce,
really
but you're
expect to
really
come
not.
third, but me know whenever they come
Dancing.
last, if you understand what I say.
I'm going to tell you about the outside challenge.
Now, where go say? I see the one named Fat Skull, I must say outside and exterior, understand?
Fat Skull
So
did
whenever
well.
I'm too sure, but him coming and going like him stress.
I felt personally confident in myself, but you see, Fat Skull have a little style.
Yeah.
Give up. Hear me like idiot. Touchdown.
I realized that tactic, because even from upper
Each
trucker,
Fat
you might
Skull.
talk about, no man, me lose, is a strategy. But you say you fool me once,
Yeah.
you fool me
again.
twice, there's not going to be a thrice.
When we see him outside, he must stress out, sweat to kill him.
The winner of this challenge goes home with $50,000.
Oh, that's not bad.
Also, if you get the fan favorite vote from this challenge, you will get $50,000. So viewers, vote for your favorite at the socialhouseja.com, and that person can walk away with $50,000 on the night of the premiere. Remember, ready for the results?
Yeah.
Second place finished in 1 minute 11 seconds, and first place finished in 1 minute 3 seconds. The winner of Sagicors Grab and Go Supermarket Challenge and $50,000 is
Rohan. I think it's Rohan. Oh, sorry, I'm never even.
Alright, yeah. Yeah, I wasn't stressed. I was just,
tricky.
it's just psychology.
Yeah.
Oh,
Eat Fat Skull.
It's show business.
It wasn't surprising that Fat Skull came first. I figured out Fat Skull's strategy. You might try play a fool to catch right.
Yeah.
You've been collecting points from the beginning of the competition. First place, you would have gotten 100 points. In second place, you get 50 points, and in third place, 25. If you're not in the top 3, you get no scores. Because Pine and Petite Sue just joined the competition, we can only use the last 2 challenges to be fair to them. So, I have 2 people at the top of the scoreboard with 100 points and 3 people at the bottom with 50. So, at the bottom of the scoreboard, we have QP, Petite Sue, and China K. Coincidentally, they're sitting together.
Oh God. Rush.
Yeah. Fat Skull can laugh. Yeah. Fat Skull.
With each other.
no, because you're cooking. Because you're cooking at the first episode.
Rush Cam is over them.
And you get your 100.
Them cooking down cost?
Hey.
Eat that
So over there sweat and I do the things that I make the fancy dish and I tell me say don't
make it this far. So you had to cook one. Everything is valuable, China cake.
Hey, 100 quid still again.
Our top two with 100 points each. Prince Pine and
That's
Fat
crazy.
Skull.
Prince Pine just come and surprise everybody.
But I have one more update.
Hey, look at now.
So remember at the beginning of the challenge, I told you that that quiz was important. It was important in two ways. The first way is that if you went over the budget, you'd have had an additional $500 for each point. So for example, Prince Pine, 5 times 3, you would have had an additional $1,500 if you went over, and Rohan would have had an additional $500. The second part is if you received a point from the trivia, so that would mean Prince Pine and Quiet Perry, you are immune from the next elimination.
Right there, sir. Right there, sir. I'm never telling a lie. But I'm telling you something was coming. I'm telling you something was coming.
I might place this now. I might place.
Spread out.
Next elimination and me still there.
You know, we're immune. You get me? I say we get the
Vaccinated.
vaccine. We
Yeah.
can get eliminated for the next round.
Pine and Perry, as you can see, them don't look like them people you can take it. So them getting the immunity thing,
Whatever. Yes, I don't need it.
like everybody would have feel sorry for them.
Whatever.
Immune. I like that for me. Love that for
So
me.
that means that the next elimination, whenever that is, who knows when it is, Fat Skull, China Cake, or Petit Soup, one of you could go home.
No Perry can laugh.
You know what they say? Who laughs last?
When Rohan and laugh, why am I going to spread out his body for everybody?
Shawty can't eat this. She ate this. She don't have 100.
Come alive, the one thing but don't cook them alive. And I come and say don't count.
That's unfair.
It's not okay.
Time will tell. Time will tell.
And time is longer than a rope, I know, but not now. Upset.
Alright, influencers, enjoy yourselves. Get on your little evening clothes. You're going to dinner again at Chilling. So I'll see you guys
What
there.
time?
Or maybe not.
I'm not killing me. Yeah, I forgot to try everything long as Chilling. Yes, sponsor, come true. Hey, I love Wayne Marshall.
We have to do a small recap to the cooking challenge.
He almost died. I heard him
Listen up.
coloring in the room. I was like, we are laughing.
Sarah, remember this? I'm saying this scared of.
First of all,
Well, I don't know. First, well, I know, man, near the Rush said, judges, it's a 4th place. And the man, it's a Fat Skull.
No, the points first.
Well, I know
come.
what them say Fat Skull, and then the Fat Skull get 11 out of 50. And the man, them laugh after the man kiss. Yo, the man terrible looking Perry and tease him, you know.
A true man.
Perry end up getting 19. Listen. Right there.
Yeah, man.
Oh, gosh.
I've never seen somebody get 11 out of 60. I've also never seen anybody serve an egg in the shell.
but you understood what I was
No,
doing.
I don't. I still don't understand. I watched it.
I would
twice.
never understand.
It's a boiled egg you get, but you get it out of the
I
shell.
never have the time to
No, sir. You didn't wash it, remember?
Exactly.
As a mother,
Yes.
and you two, if you did get what we get,
What you that do?
what are you cooking?
First of all, I've been begging for more time.
You can't get more time, Sammy.
The time.
You guys did
set a way.
yeah, the time was rough, man. I don't know. I don't have
How much was 25 minutes?
That's nothing. Chicken
Cook the
can be
chicken.
cooked.
Yeah,
That rough. But me that got soup still. Ramen.
that's what I said.
Something
We call it soup and boni. It's a soup where you just put everything in it.
Exactly.
Yeah, soup and boni.
One and bungalow.
Exactly.
Come on, guys.
Yes.
Well, you know what's good about the social house? There's no weakling. A bare, strong creators and, you know what I mean, personalities and everything. So I know, even after the show, everybody had a left stronger. As them say, iron sharp iron.
Yeah, and it's nice to see everybody like coming together in this way. Like I can imagine like you know some people that maybe clean up their nose and they go, no, I'm not doing that. And it's so nice to like you guys are, no, we're doing this and we're strong.
Exactly, right, TC?
Sharing our platform. And growing our platforms together, and you see it in the comments, like people are just loving it. So kudos to you guys for sure, because it says a lot about who you guys are.
Yeah.
I think.
And they've also asked us like who's your biggest competitor and everything, and I've always said wherever I might be strong,
Yeah.
somebody else on the weak,
True.
and vice versa.
True, yeah.
And I've also said it's a fact in every single challenge where I said anything can happen.
Yes.
Right,
Yes.
I'll leave it there.
Yes.
Right,
Yes.
I'll leave it there.
Yes.
I will say this to Wayne. I want to record this because I've commented on social media. I want to let you face. It is very important what you're doing in terms of showcasing Jamaica as a man, the relationship you have with your boy. Yeah. The fact that you show them love and teach them how to express themselves in certain ways.
That's true.
If your son, you understand it is so important. I may have to commend you for that because enough man, young man, you have to act.
Yes.
I have to commend you for that.
True.
I see it in the comments all the time. Big people like, I'm 65 years old and boy, Wayne, you really is an example. My Jamaica may never see this type of,
Yeah, that's
you know?
wild.
Yeah.
And that's what we grew up, and that's what's so interesting. Like if you don't, and that's what we realized very quickly. If you don't see something, you can't go towards it.
Right.
You know what I mean? And so even if we show a small glimpse of just seeing something, and I think that's what each of us kind of do in our own respect. We're showing you something that you can go towards, that you can move in that direction. If you can do it, that means I can do it. You know
Right.
what I mean? And that's what I don't think a lot of people realize, that they might look at us on YouTube and Instagram and just think, oh, frivolous, fun, whatever. But it's literally, you know, us showing, hey, it's possible for me, it's possible for you. So don't waste your time feeling envious or feeling like, you know, you bad mind this person for this or that. Use it as something that can expand your experience, you know? And I think
Exactly.
that's something that a lot of people don't get and realize too, you know?
We don't have none up on the house, them man. They don't know how to build up on the house. None of them can build. We have weird now. We don't have none of the house are fixed. So they don't like not fiction. Anything can change the house.
Not like, she have me hungry now. I go look serious and so I can't eat.
No, we're not here. We don't have no money to printing. Influencer to influencer. Come on.
Coming up on the next episode of The Social House.
So the driver is here. I'm going to go up in our car. You can't trick me! You again cannot trick me!
Who might get the millions in them account?
Hey, we're going strong soon, you know? That was another influencer joining, I bet. Yeah, that's what it looked like. That's what he always says when an influencer popping in. You can't trick me, you can't trick me. Boy, Rohan come right out for now, the production team. Wow, okay, so I like this. As I say, I've always liked both shows. they're both special in them own little way. But you know, I think Social House still have its little raw moments which we can all appreciate about it. But I love the Social House. I mean, I love right now my favorite influencer right now is Fat Skull and maybe the other one. Yeah, we did always love the two of them, nah lie. Even when I wanted to start to like do promos for my business, I heavily considered, well, I was definitely like, yo, I'm using Pine and Fat Skull and Rohan, you know. I don't know, and the whole of them are male, but I guess I just thought it would have been funny. I guess I find them funny, you know what I mean? Let me know what you guys thought about the challenge. And I love that they really brought in Tammy and Wayne. We love them. So that was a good part to put in there, as well as what Rohan did say to Wayne, which is very true. I wish we had more fathers like that who would spend more time with their boys, like pour into their boys more, and you know, kiss and love them, just like how, you know, like good fathers. We need that here on the island. We don't have that. And well, I'm not saying we don't have it at all, but I'm just saying like it's not something that we see all the time. And if we see it, it's like one-off, you know, like a Marshall thing, or you know, like some other good fathers out there. I just hope that, you know, and I love that it's not just challenges, but it's also, you know, inspirational. You know, they bring on Miss Kitty, you know, to preach a little bit, and then bring on them, you know, they say, wow, you know, fresh face. So it's not just the 5 or 6 of them, the influencer them. There are other influencers that pop in and show them face and serves as some sort of influence and motivation. So I love that they're trying to pull on people's heartstrings as well, you know. The Social House is really, they know what they're doing in regards to the influencers, the social media influencers. Them just a pull on all of them, and I'm a pull on with heartstrings to love them even more. And kudos to you guys on that. So yeah, love that for you guys. Love that for Social House episode 5. I can't wait to see what episode 6 is gonna be like. I definitely I'm looking forward to more challenging challenges and to see, you know, what else they have in store. But definitely no say one other influencer coming in based on pure excitement when we just create. Somebody else is coming in. Comment below and tell me who you guys think is going to be the next influencer. I'd love to know what you guys think. Wait, but by the time, probably by the time I put this out, y'all are going to be knowing who is the next influencer, but maybe not. Let's see. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to follow me on my handles: Insta Shaph, INSTA_SHAPHZ, as well as my school's page, Sassyversity JA, if you guys are ever interested in learning a skill in lash extensions, microblading, or brow lamination. Those 2 skills are not ready as yet, but stay tuned to the page and you will definitely see when we launch those. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and tell a friend. You didn't have to, but you did, and I'm super grateful. I'll see you in my next video.